The next topic is about manufacturing cost and total product cost calculations. So welcome back to the new session. So what is the purpose of calculating manufacturing cost in industries? Normally, whenever we are making any product, once it reaches to the public with a market, through market, so we want to know what should be the minimum price. How can you accommodate the price for each goods or each items or each equipment? Okay, as a whole, the manufacturing cost of a particular product, say for example, caustic soda or else urea production, ammonia. So the manufacturing cost for 1 kilogram of ammonia, how much cost? As a whole, how much will be as a total product cost? So after analyzing this problem, you can understand about the significance of manufacturing cost. So what is the impact on total product cost? In addition to that, for 1 kilogram, how much should be our gross profit? In addition to that, net profit of a particular product. So here the case is given the total capital investment for a caustic soda plant is $2,600,000. Plant produces 3 million kilogram of a product. Plant produces 3 million kilogram of a product semi-annually. So plant produces 3 million kilogram of a product semi-annually. The selling price of the product is $0.91 over 1 kilogram. In addition to that, working capital, 12.5% of total capital investment. The investment is from the company fund. So they are not going to borrow any money from the bank. So there is no interest is charged. So therefore, the fixed cost amount will be 0. Some of the sub costs such as in terms of direct production cost, for example, raw material cost, how much? $0.07 over 1 kilogram. So $0.07 over 1 kilogram. Operating labor in case of for the workers, $0.08 for 1 kilogram. Utility side, 0.05. In terms of overhead cost, packing 0.08, distribution cost 6% of the total product cost. So the expectations are here, such as manufacturing cost for 1 kilogram of a product, total product cost, profit per kilogram before tax, that is our gross profit, profit per kilogram if you have income tax of 15%. So after the tax, that should be your after tax, that is your net profit. So let us write what are the available, what are the given we have. The total capital investment for caustic soda plant. So the total capital investment, $2,600,000. So total capital investment is $2,600,000. The plant production, the production is given by production. So 3 million kilogram, 3 million kilogram semi-annually, so half yearly. So whenever I want to convert it into annual, so in a year twice, so 2 times of 3 million, 2 times of 3 million is equivalent to 6 million kilogram. So 6 million kilogram of product. Current selling price $0.91. $0.91. So $0.91 per kilogram. So dollar over kilogram 0.91. So some of the cost, the fixed cost is become zero. That is our fixed charge. Why? Because there is no interest. Therefore, the company fund utilized for the project is used for the project. So they are not borrowing any money from the private sector. Okay. So we have some of the cost such as raw material cost. Then we have, we have some of the costs such as raw material cost, then operating labor. So raw material cost. Yep. So here we have raw material cost. So raw material is around. Then we have raw material of $0.07 for 1 kilogram. Operating labor, so $0.08 for 1 kilogram. In case of utilities, $0.05 per 1 kilogram. So fixed charge becomes zero. In case of planned overhead, under the planned overhead, we have a packing cost 0.08. So distribution cost is around 6% of total product cost. So distribution cost is equal to 6% of 6% of total product cost. So let us deal this question now. Like, let us deal this question now here, semi-annual, right? Yeah. So how to calculate the raw material, operating labor, packing, in addition to that fixed charge. So normally, if I want to calculate the manufacturing cost is the summation of, so let me give the formula. So manufacturing cost is the summation of manufacturing cost is the summation of direct production cost then we have fixed charge plus planned overhead cost. So direct production, we have raw material, utility, operating labor, patent, royalty, everything coming under this category. In case of fixed charge, we have depreciation, we have local tax. In addition to that, we have interest. Planned overhead cost, payroll, packing material. So as per the given problem, for us, we have raw material, utility, operating labor. We have three components. So raw material cost is approximately 0.07 plus utility cost 0.05. Then we have $0.05. Then we have operating labor 0.08. Fixed cost becomes zero. So packing cost 0.08. So once we are adding all the three costs at the end, so we have 0.08, we have 0.07 plus 0.05 plus 0.08 plus 0.08. So we have 0.08, 0.07, that is raw material, labor 0.08, utility 0.05, packing cost 0.08. So 0.08, 0.08, 0.16, 0.16. So 0.16 plus 0.07, 0.21 plus 0.05. Yeah. So we'll get it at the end 0.07, 0.05, 0.08 plus 0 plus 0.08. At the end, we got it $0.28 per kilogram. Okay. So this is manufacturing cost for 1 kilogram. If you want to know manufacturing cost per year, we know the manufacturing cost per kg multiplied by annual production. So here dollar per kg 0.28 multiplied by 6 million kilogram. So at the end, case of manufacturing cost times 6 million. So dollar 100 1 million, sorry, 680,000. Okay. So in case of total product cost, how can we calculate the total product cost? So total product cost is the summation of manufacturing cost per year plus general expenses. So under general expenses, we have three components. One is distribution. The second one is admin cost. The third one is research and development. So here, in case of above problem, they have not given any admin and research and development. So both the terminology will become zero. So the distribution cost is around 6% of total. We could check the given data product cost. So 6% of total product cost. So let us read this question. Distribution is 6% of total product cost. So we know that 6% of total product, the sense 6 divided by 100 times TPC. So at the end, general expenses 0.06 TPC. So total product cost is equal to manufacturing cost plus general expenses. So manufacturing cost 1,680,000 plus 0.06 TPC. That is our general expenses is equal to total product cost. So total product cost is equal. Let us bring to the left hand side. 0.06 TPC is equal to 1,680,000. So if you take TPC away, 1 minus 0.06 is equal to 1,680,000. So 0.94 TPC is equal $1,680,000. So TPC is equal to 1,680,000 divided by 0.94. So total product cost is approximately 1,787,234. Okay. So these are the total product cost and manufacturing cost. Okay. So in case of gross profit and net profit, we will see in the next lesson. Okay. Thanks so much.